Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration. And today's video is about what 98% of people don't know. You know what? I've met a lot of people in my life. I've met a lot of great people. I've gone a lot of places. I've done a lot of things. And of all the people and all the places I've been, there's one thing that I've learned. I've learned that life is not fair. Life is going to be a struggle. Life is going to be a challenge. You know, we might as well get over it and realize that we're not going to get things the way we want. You know, we have the sense of entitlement, and we can't have that kind of mentality because we're not going to be able to get what we want just by snapping our finger and saying we want it. It's going to take some work. So, you know, in today's world, what do? You know, we become a victim. We don't get what we want, and then we blame and complain, and then we become a victim, and we get caught in this victim loop. And then what do we do from there? You know, we just keep on projecting that out. We keep on talking about that. We keep on focusing on the problem instead of the solution. And then we don't even notice that where we aren't is the same as where we want to be. You know, these things are the same. So maybe, you know, we're staring at a screen instead of getting out into the world. Maybe we're eating the kinds of food that doesn't make us feel good. So we keep eating it, but we don't realize that that's not getting us what we want. Or maybe we're hanging around the kind of people that don't make us feel good and don't move our lives forward. So we keep doing this, and we don't ask ourselves the questions, the big, heavy questions. You know, what is it that I want? What is it that you want? What do you want in your life? And then when you start asking the questions and you start looking around at what you're doing, then you can start using the process of elimination. You can take things out. You can take the people out of your life that don't add a lot of value, or spend less time with them. You know, nothing against them, just you don't want to be with them. It doesn't help you to become a better version of yourself. You can take the food out that doesn't help you become stronger, healthier, wiser, brighter, stronger. And you can also take out the things, you know, maybe it's the media, the news, the TV, the programs, you know, that don't add any value at all. They're just drama. They're just bits of information that don't support you and that don't make you live a better, stronger, fuller life. So 98% of the people, that's 98%. Are you part of the 98%? It's not a life worth living if you're doing those kinds of things, and especially being a victim. And when you get caught into that loop, then guess what? It's like having a garden and not tending to it, not weeding it. Your mind is like that. You need to weed it. You need to weed out the stuff that doesn't help you become a happier, more joyful person. And in a previous video, I talked about the emotions. I mean, look at them. What do we have? Fear, anger, disgust, fear, anger, disgust, and I'm forgetting the fourth one. But basically, we have four emotions that don't make us feel good. And then we have joy. Sadness is the other one, sorry. But we have to go through fear, anger, disgust, and sadness to get to joy. That's the way it works. That's the way emotional intelligence works. We have to focus on what we want and go for it. Move towards it. Do something about it. A little bit every day. Just a little bit. So I'm going to include a copy, if you haven't got this yet, a copy of my book below, Living Life of Your Dreams, and it's a system for living life of your dreams. It's a system for moving towards what you want, thinking about what you want, focusing on what you want, what matters most to you. So you can grab it below. If you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, check it out over there. Otherwise, I'll see you again on my next video.